In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube full screen settings. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first, open up YouTube, and then you want to go to the bottom right, and then go to settings on the top right. Now you want to scroll down and go to playback and toggle zoom to fill screen. What this is going to do is that it's going to always zoom so that videos fill the screen in full screen. So basically, if you have a video that's 16 by 20 or a different size other than 16 by 9, it will basically zoom it in so that way you can capture the full thing without having extra space. So let me exit out. Let me click on the video. Let's just say I want to click on this video right here.
Have you ever
I'm going to let that ad go by.
content creators say,
Let me choose one with no ad actually.
I'll send you over something. Marvel does everything.
So this one has no ad. Okay. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to press on the square icon to make it full screen. And as you can see, there's spaces right here on the left and right. So if I zoom in, you can see that it captures the full thing because it's zoomed to fill screen. So my whole screen is filled with this video. And you can go ahead and zoom in more, or you can zoom right here. This is the full screen, and you can zoom out. This is the original size. So this video is not in this format, and YouTube has to make up for it by adding those blank spots. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.